Welcome back. This is going to be my 1.1.7 Sprite Smash Code Blocks tutorial part 2. And in here I'm going to be upgrading on how to handle voice recognition. So basically what's going to happen is you're going to hit the BTN voice button, and that would be this button here. Okay. And when we click on that button, then we're going to activate voice recognition, and we'll call speech to get text. And then I could say after I get the text, okay, and then I can say, what does the text equal to? So I could do if, a logic statement, and you could, figure out whatever you want. You could say if get result equals to whatever text you put in here. So, I could say something like pause. So if you say pause, then I want to take my game timers. And so let's go to my game timer. So clock 1. Clock 1. Set clock 1 and set timer to false. And that's it. So then you would probably want to do this again then. So here's how you morph. You want to morph your if statement. Go drag an else if. Okay, and then you would copy this. And then if you would hit play, then you would want to go ahead and just timer enable was true. Okay. And what else do we want to do on voice recognition? What are your thoughts on voice recognition? What do you want it to do? Pause, play. Should we be able to increase the speed? Increase the speed? I would have to add a variable to do that if I want to do that. Do you want to do that? All right, so then what I'll do here is I'll create a game speed. So I'll call this game speed. We'll call this game time speed. How about that? Game time. It's already there. So game time speed. And game time speed was starting at 500. That's a half a second. So then what I could do is manipulate this. And if, let's add a couple more ifs here. I like my stuff in order. Don't have to, but I do. So if we say speed up, slow down, then you would want to say set my game time speed to And we're going to get faster here, so it's got to go lower. So I'm going to subtract. So we'll say get game time speed minus 50. Yeah. And then I have to set it to my timer. So I've got to go to clock 1 and set its time interval to get game time speed. Okay, and then here, and if I wanted to say slow down, then I would add speed to it. So I would go ahead and take this, and I would do the math and add on to this. And duplicate that. And that's about it. All right, so I'm going to do one more thing, and I'm going to say, you can quit here. So I'll let them quit. So let's go to my morph. And I'm running out of morph. So I'm going to put in one more, and if they say quit, and once again here, keep in mind, what you say in these, Iris will not comprehend capital letters. So if I put a capital letter pause here and I say pause all day long, it's not going to pause. Because Iris does not know capital letters. Okay, so you got to use, that's kind of frustrating if you don't get that. You have to use lowercase letters here. Okay. So if we quit, what do we want to happen? I think we go to screen 1, and I thought there was a way to shut down the app. Thought there was a way to shut down the app. Close screen animation. Thought there was a way to shut down the app. Maybe it's in control. There's close application. So there it is. If you say quit, we'll close the application. Okay, so that's it. I hope this video helps. Have a great holiday, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye.